Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't mind my background. I'm in my workshop. So in fact, I'm so excited, so I can't even wait to announce this news to you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In fact, I'm so happy guys, very happy. I can't even contain my joy. That is why I'm making this video in my sewing room. Don't mind the background, just listen to whatever I have to say. So guys, you know the last video on this channel, it's about me stopping tutorial for now because of my YouTube verification stuff and all that. Now your girl is finally back on YouTube, so be ready for tutorial back to back. In fact, I'm so happy, I'm so grateful to God because it's just been God. Nobody helped me, but God did. Only God did. The people I was reaching out to, they were asking me for a lot of money, which I couldn't afford, but God did it. It came true, and my YouTube channel is back, is up and running. So now, you guys should be ready for tutorial back to back. As you guys always know, my tutorial is always beginner friendly. It's ready for tutorial back to back because I am ready, fully ready for you guys. So the first tutorial I'll be posting on this channel after this one you are seeing, a tutorial on how I make this beautiful turban face cap. Do you want it? Do you like it? Should I post a tutorial? Let me know in the comment section below. So you guys be ready and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Your queen of headwear is back. Queen B is back and is back for you. I'm back strong and better. I'm giving you tutorial back to back this time. And if you are seeing my page for the very first time, my name is Abobalanle, popularly known as Queen B. I am the face behind this page, Queen B Unique Creation, where I post tutorials on AutoGele, Fascinator, and majorly turbans. Different kind of turban tutorial that is beginner friendly. In fact, if you don't know how to sew turban before, go through my videos, you will know how to sew turban. That is how good I am. Watch my video and you will see for yourself. And I also have a Headwear class that is for advanced tutorial style, which has begun on Telegram. I've started from January to December, but you can still pay. And okay, let me give you a discount. If you are just seeing this video, or you are my new subscriber or my old subscriber, let me give you discount too. Thank you guys for staying with me, waiting for me now that I'm back. So if I just seen this video, you can pay 7,000 naira to join the class. You have access to all the previous videos that I've posted from January till now, because the class is from January to December. So you still have access to all those previous videos and the new video that I'm about to be posting on the YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, to comment, welcome me back now. Comment, share to more people. Tell them that your queen of headwear is back on YouTube. They should come back. I am back. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.